Hi guys, welcome to Linux YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video we will talk about Ansible email notification. But before start the lab session we need to understand few points, which is what is Ansible email notification and their use cases. As a part of our your automation job, it is very important to notify the administrator and end user about the changes you are making in your environment, whether it is a simple package installation or a system reboot. The end user should be aware of the downtime and changes that are occurring. Instead of sending email manually, the Ansible mail module can be used to automate email notification. The Ansible mail module is powerful and can support most email features including custom headers, attachment, and security. So in this demo, you will learn how to configure Gmail credentials and Ansible to send automate email using the Ansible playbook. If we talk about the prerequisite, we need two requirements: Ansible setup with the controller node and manage node, and Gmail account credentials. So let's start the lab session. You can see currently I am working on my VMware workstation and I have two Linux virtual machine. This is the first one, server one, and the second one is the client one, right? So let me show you the OS release version, the IP address of both machine. So if I go with the hostname command, host name, this is the machine is server1.example.com. Currently I'm using Red Hat release 9.3 and the IP address of this machine is ENS0 ENS160. The is 192.168.128. Let me go back on the second machine. So log in with root. The host name of this machine is station1.example.com and this is also rel 9.3 and IP ADDR show command ENS160. The IP address is 192.168.116.129, right? So I'm back on the first machine. So here is server one acting as a controller node in my case, and this client acting as a managed node, right? So let me go my Ansible project directory. So I have an Ansible project. Here we have few files, my ansible.configuration file. This is a simple file where I'm using the Jack user to perform remote administration privileges. And we have my inventory file 192.168.116.129 is mentioned. Let me try ping reachability via Ansible ad hoc command. So Ansible hyphen ping all I'm point out every machine. So yeah, I'm getting ping pong response. Okay, so start with the first step, which is prepare your Google app password. So let me open my testing Gmail account. So let me try to log in the Gmail account. Okay, I'll go with this account, SRM71118. Okay, and this machine it is asking for two password with authentication. Give me 1 second guys, let me log in here. Yeah, I'm able to log in, right? So first of all, what I need to do, I need to go on account setting, right? So Gmail will not allow less secure app to access the mail services, and username plus password combination will not work if you have enabled two-factor authentication. In such case, you can use Google app password to programmatically access your Gmail account. So I need to log in. I have already logged in. Go to the account and then you can search it app password from here. So as soon as you type app password in the security, click here and just give the app name. I'll give Ansible. Okay, and scroll down, just click on the create button. So here is my password. So once you click on the create button, you will receive the app password. Remember to copy the password as it won't be visible after this screen. So let me save it in my some notepad file, right, and remove these extra spaces from here, right? So let me copy in a safe manner. Let me paste it here and let me remove the extra spaces. Yeah, I just clean out. So this is my app password for this demo. Okay, so let it be done and I can log out from here because I don't require anymore to work with this scenario. I log out. Okay, now come back on the screen. So first task we have done successfully. Now move to the next step, which is create variables and get Ansible mail module. Since the feature to send email is not included in Ansible core, this needed to be the downloaded from Ansible Galaxy collection. So we can use the following command to download the feature from Ansible Galaxy. The command is Ansible Galaxy collection install community.journal. So let me copy and paste the command. So let it be installed first. As soon as the process will done, we'll got Ansible mail module, right? It's downloading and extract in slash root.ansible tam, this one. Okay, installing. Complete. Yeah, community.journal was installed successfully. Now we have Ansible mail module in our environment. Let's check Ansible doc and mail module. So here it is. This module is useful for sending email from playbook, right? So now we have the module, now we have the options, and if you go to the bottom, syntax and how you will use everything is clearly mentioned here, right? So we can copy the code from here and modify as per our own needed, right? So let me quit again back here. Now move to the next part where we need to save our credentials, the Google app password in the variable format. Since the email address and the app password are sensitive information, you cannot keep it in the plain text format in the playbook file as hard-coded way. So better way is that save it in the variable format. So let me create a variable .yaml file to store my variable information. So I'll make a directory name vars, could be anything. I'll move inside that directory and then I create a file variable variable.yaml. Okay, now I put the entry here. So let me copy the entry from my notepad. I'll save it here. So let me explain. So here I mentioned three variables. First one is username, the user from which ID the email will be sent. So I just mentioned srm71118 at the Gmail account where I have just added my password, right? And the second is the password information. So the app password which has generated in the previous step. So let me set my password. So let me copy whatever I have copied. So just copy and modified here. I'll go to the insert, paste it, cool. And the third one is two section represent recipient list. So here I want to send acknowledge to the ritesh.456gmail.com. This is my another account for testing purpose. So I want to generate the mail from srm and forward to the ritesh account, right? Now let's save and quit. Let me go back on my project folder again. Here I am. Now move to the next tab, which is deploy the playbook with the mail module, Ansible mail module. So I have my playbook demo.yaml file where I calling my mail module for notification. So let me call demo.yaml file and this is the content. So this is my file, right? Let me copy, then I try to explain all fields. Here it is, dot dot dot, save. So let me start with the first word. One second, let me remove extra lines. Yeah, this is good. So this is the demo playbook. First of all, my play name is play1. I want to execute in all manage host. In the fifth line, I'm calling my variable files, which is inside the var folder variable.yaml file. In the task section, I define the first task. I want to install FTP package on manage host. That's the reason I call ansible.builtin.dnf module. I want to install the package. The package name is vsftpd. I want to install the latest package if it is available in my repository. And whatever the task is going to be performed here, I want to save this output inside a variable which is name is install ftp. This is the variable name. It could be anything, and this entire procedure will be held with the help of register variable. So register variable will hold and save the output of this entire execution inside the new variable name, which is install ftp. Then I'm moving to my second task, which is send email. I want to send an email. So that's the reason I'm using community.general.mail module, which few minutes ago we have downloaded from Ansible Galaxy. The host is currently I'm using Gmail server, so I'm using smtp.gmail.com. You can change the host and port as per your own organization. Port is by default 587. Then I call the username. So I'm calling the username with the help of username module. Password will be called from the password module. And from again I'm calling from username variable. And two in the two section I'm calling the two variable. So username, password, and two. This is already defined inside the variable.yaml file, right? Then I mentioned the subject. What subject I want to bypass? I just give the Ansible magic variable name, Ansible play name. So Ansible play name will mention the play name. This one play one has completed. And second, I add the body part. Here are the result of install FTP. So whatever the result will be hold here, it will display here in the case of body field. And then secure communication, I start TLS communication, right? So this is the my demo.yaml file. Now my playbook is ready. Now time to deploy. So save and quit. But before going to deploy, let me check the syntax error first. Syntax check. So let me check the syntax. Now it's okay. Now syntax is okay. Let's try to deploy. So how to deploy? Just run the simple command ansible playbook and the playbook name. So in my case the playbook name is demo.yaml. If the configuration is done correctly, everything is okay, then you will find the test email in the recipient mailbox, which is ritesh.456. So let me log into this account also. So I am back. Let me log in first of all. So let me check the current position. Currently I don't think so have any mail from Ansible. Let me check. Okay, no more. It's a security alerts. Okay, so now it's clean. 33335 mails are there. Okay, press enter. Let's see what happened. So play name is play one, task gathering facts, task start, install FTP package on manage host. Okay, it's changed. That means task done successfully. And now second task started, that is send email. And let's see what happened. Okay, cool. You can see. Okay, done. So three section, one section, two section, three section done, and one is in the change state. So here you can see it's done. Let's check the mailbox and what is the position. Yeah, cool. Here you can see play one has completed successfully, coming from SRM 71118. So if I try to expand that one, it is coming from SRM 71118. Subject is clearly mentioned. Play one has completed. The same thing I have mentioned in my demo file. If you check that one, play one has completed. Cool, that's a subject. And here are the result and result of my register variable, the install vsftpd 3.055 enter, right, and return code value is 0, right? So you can see I got the response. So that is how you can go with the email notification. Sometime you want to sending a mail with attachment also. So for that one, what we can do, we can just use attach section in the mail module and give the file name whatever you want to attach with the mail, right? So let me show you how we can attach the file here. So I'll open the demo file one more time, and what I will do, I'll go to the body section. This all syntax are mentioned in the documentation. I'll just say attach what you want to attach. I want to attach var log. Suppose I want to attach this log file, var log. I want to attach this file, var log messages, right? So save and quit, and let me deploy one more time, because this time FTP package is already installed, so it should be in okay condition, right? Yeah, see, it's okay. Already the task is already done. That's idempotency of Ansible, right? And sending email. So this time I got mail with attachment if everything is okay, right? Cool. Now time to check. I'm going back, and let me refresh. Yeah, it is there. play one has completed, and this time I got the result but with attachment, which is our requirement, right? See, nothing is going to do because already installed, and this is the file var log message file with the attachment, right? So this is, guys, how we can sending email alert with the help of Ansible mail modules. More documentation, more information if you want to get with this module, you can go with doc Ansible doc mail. And if you go to the bottom, every steps are clearly mentioned, like here these are the things are clear, how you can do cc and attach and headers, and a number of things are here, you can do that, right? So guys, that's all about this demo, and hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media link, which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.